To view your notifications, click Notifications. You can filter them by severity and add comments to a specific notification by clicking Add Comment, including the reason and your reaction. Notifications, along with the comments saved behind them, can also be exported into reports from the Reports section if needed. Click Reports, then Create Report. Name the report. Select the reporting period from the three options. Choose which notifications you want to include. Select the site. And click Save. The report has now been created. You can average the data in the report, export it as a PDF or Excel file, and add comments to the report.